Good day everyone. This is the 10 basic international human rights standard for law enforcement. Number 1, equal protection. Law enforcement must treat all individuals equally, regardless of race, gender, religion, nationality, or other status. For example, police must investigate crime in all communities equally without neglecting minority neighborhoods. Number 2, respectful treatment. Officer must treat everyone with respect and dignity even during arrest or detention. Example, when officer must suspect the police should speak politely, avoid insults, and not use unnecessary force. Number 3, use of force. Force should only be used when absolutely necessary, and it must be proportionate to the threat. Example, officers should not use baton or pepper spray against someone who is resisting arrest. Number 4, policing nonviolent assemblies. Law enforcement has a duty to facilitate peaceful protest, not suppress them. Example, officers should provide crowd control and safety measure for peaceful demonstration instead of dispersing it forcefully. Number 5, use of lethal force. Lethal force, like shooting a firearm, must only be used as a last resort to save lives. Example, a police officer can only shoot a suspect if the person poses an immediate danger to others, like hostage taking, shooting incident, like that. And number 6, arresting person on legal grounds. No one should be arrested without a legal basis, and arrest must follow. Example, police cannot arrest someone simply for criticizing the government on social media. Number 7, right of detainees. Detainees have the right to be informed of charges, to access a lawyer, and to communicate with family. Example, a suspect must be told why they are being arrested and allowed to call a lawyer without delay. Number 8, humane treatment of detainees. All detainees must be treated humanely with adequate food, medical care, and clean conditions. Example, holding a detainee in overcrowded, unsanitary cells without food or water is a human rights violation. Number 9, refusal to obey unlawful orders. Law enforcement officials must disobey orders that would lead to human rights violations. An officer should refuse a command no torture a suspect during interrogation. Number 10, duty to report human rights violation. Police officers have a responsibility to report any human rights abuses they witness within the force. Example, if an officer sees a colleague beating a handcuffed suspect, they must report it to higher authority or independent body. That's all. Thank you.